Okay, so this is everything that the hybrid racing cold air intake comes with. It's a full 3-inch intake. As you can see, it's 100% silicone. The great thing about that is because it's gonna go behind the radiator, the silicone is gonna act as a thermal barrier. So basically what that means is just lower intake temperatures and you're not gonna get any decrease in performance. The awesome part about this one is that it works for pretty much any manifold. There's a PRB side and an RBC RRC side, which is good because it's 2-in-1. You don't need anything special. And you don't need a coupler. It's just one piece design, makes it very sleek and very nice. It also comes with this mounting bracket. This is gonna hold the lower part of the radiator. It comes with the hardware as well. That way it's held onto the frame and it's not just hanging there. It comes with this clamp for the bottom. This is gonna go on that mounting bracket. It comes with a stainless steel clamp for the top. I really like it, it's very nice. This is what the air filter looks like and the velocity stack comes with it. It also comes with a valve cover breather, which is kind of awesome just because right now I'm not gonna be running a catch can because I really haven't decided what I want, honestly. So I changed my valve covers. It doesn't have bungs, so I'm gonna need to vent the valve cover in some way. So it's good that it brought this. And I really like that it's just black. It just kind of blends in with everything else in the end. This bracket is going to bolt up to this bolt right here. You can see that it's threaded, so that's the one that we're gonna be using. I'm just adjusting it here because where I had it, it was on a little elm. I'm just gonna tighten it. Alright, before I tighten this anymore, I just want to make sure that this is gonna line up well. So now I'm gonna put the intake on. That was a little tight. So I'm not gonna tighten it all the way. There is some adjustment here. So I'm gonna put the intake on and see how I need this to go before I tighten anything. Let's try loosening this. So I installed the velocity stack first, and then I got this bracket on, and then I pull it out here so that, so that it could line up with that bolt. All right, so I got the velocity stack on there. It was definitely a mission. So I'm gonna tighten up the bracket here because I know that's kind of where it's gonna go. So now I'm going to be installing the intake air temperature sensor. It does require that you drill into the intake to put the sensor in. Don't be like me, do it before you install it, not after. installed. Good clearance here. Here's the plug for the intake air temperature. I have to reinstall the filter, but velocity stack is on there. Sorry about Kenji barking. He likes to bark a lot all day. So yeah, what do you guys think? I think it looks super nice. Really glad I went with the hybrid racing intake. Thanks for watching.